Hi everyone.
Welcome to our channel.
Today is going to be our wedding Q&A, and also while you're watching this video, we're probably
Getting married.
or already married at
Maybe.
this point. How does that make you feel?
A little bit weird to think about it.
It's finally happening. We've been talking about this for a long time now. October में हमारा proposal हुआ, so it's been a while and now it's finally happening. So it's feeling a little weird, I agree. But we really wanted this video to go live on our wedding day so that we could share more details with you guys. First, obviously, our YouTube family is the most important to us. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video.
Also, the questions that we'll be answering today were asked by you guys. Like, these were the most asked questions. So we have chosen a few of them and we'll be answering them today.
I think the most asked question was the wedding location.
Yes.
जिसका video already yesterday live हो चुका है. So make sure to go watch that. Actually, should we talk a little bit more about why we chose that location? Because I feel like in that video we never really explained why. We should have, but we never really explained why. Okay. So basically, when Aditya and I decided that we're getting married, we were thinking कि क्या कर सकते हैं.
Yes,
और हम दोनों को मुंबई में नहीं करनी थी.
Definitely. वो तो एक था हमारा कि हमें मुंबई में तो नहीं करना था वेडिंग, आउट ऑफ मुंबई कहीं पे तो करना था. But where was a very difficult question.
Correct. Goa was a really good
Yes.
contender because Aditya loves Goa. I also actually honestly love Goa, but I feel like Goa is not like a wedding place. Sure, I mean you can get married, but it just didn't feel
For
that.
us, it was not a place where we wanted to get married.
Correct.
तो गोवा उसके
Was
वजह से
out of the
cancel हो गया.
question. Then randomly, I think I was the one who came up with the thought कि let's get married on the banks of Ganga. तूने बोला था कि मैंने बोला था?
Of course मैंने बोला था.
मैंने बोला था. I came up with it. So घाट्स ऑफ गंगा, sorry, banks of गंगा बहुत सारे जगह पे आता है. Like you can get married in a lot of different places.
Varanasi was our top contender at that
Correct,
time because
yeah.
it is the most significant for us.
Yeah.
So मतलब in terms of गंगा जी का ये.
Correct.
But for some reason I think Varanasi we didn't go ahead with. I don't remember exactly why.
Yeah.
But because of some reason वो cancel हो गया हमारा. And then क्या मालूम कैसे we shifted to Rishikesh.
क्या मालूम कैसे नहीं, मैं बताती हूँ कैसे. ऋषिकेश is मेरे डैड का
yes.
गाँव. How did you forget that? How can you
Correct.
not
मतलब
say
उसकी वजह
that?
से ऋषिकेश.
So it just made sense. Like दो चीजें हो गई. एक तो हमें गंगा जी के बैंक्स के एटलीस्ट व्यू में करना था, and then secondly ऋषिकेश was my, you could say, hometown you could say, and also it was so beautiful. It has the most beautiful mountain view, which
Yes.
Aditya loves. Aditya loves mountains. That's how we came to the conclusion कि ऋषिकेश में करते हैं शायद.
Correct. Okay, so let's begin with the questions. So the first question is, how many wedding functions have you guys planned?
So in total, we have 5 functions.
Correct. We have the mehendi, we have the haldi, we have a carnival which has been hijacked and turned into a sangeet. Then we have the main wedding and then the reception.
Correct. So ये जो चारों इवेंट्स है वो हो रहे दहीसर में.
दहीसर भाई.
माय बैड. वो चारों फंक्शंस हो रहे हैं ऋषिकेश में, एंड देन जो 5th वाला फंक्शन है विच इज गोइंग टू बी आवर रिसेप्शन इज गोइंग टू बी हैपनिंग इन मुंबई.
Correct.
ओके, सो मुझे एक्चुअली बहुत ही मन था कि हम दोनों बैठ के एक्सप्लेन करें हर एक फंक्शन के बारे में, द डेकोर, द वाइब, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक वी हैव पुट अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट into our wedding and like really customizing it, really adding details to it. So shall we dive in?
Yes, let's go.
Oh, by the way, हम लोग अभी सिर्फ बातें कर रहे हैं functions के बारे में, but you guys will get to see like detailed vlogs. We are going to be daily vlogging. I don't know how.
I really don't know how, but obviously we want to.
We really want to, yeah. We are adamant on doing it. So daily vlogs आने वाले हर एक function के, but अभी हम बैठ के आपको explain कर रहे हैं. Obviously, right now, as we sit, we're sitting 10-11 days to go for the wedding.
Yes.
So this is what we are anticipating. We are hopeful कि ऐसा होगा. ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं, चल जाएगा.
जो भी होगा आपको दिखेगा.
Okay.
So the theme for our mehendi is Amalfi Coast.
I came up with it.
Yes, Maddie came up with it, and it holds significance to us because Amalfi Coast is in Italy, and Italy is where she got proposed, and that's why I think.
So basically हमें एक इटली का एलिमेंट कहीं तो कोई तो इवेंट में चाहिए था, बिकॉज इटली एज अ ट्रिप वाज रियली स्पेशल टू अस फॉर मोर देन वन रीजन. बहुत मजा आया, हमें वहाँ का खाना बहुत अच्छा लगा, सब कुछ हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो हमें एक इवेंट डेडिकेट करना था, एंड आई थॉट द फर्स्ट इवेंट वुड मेक सेंस.
Because there's a lot of things you can do in a mehendi function.
करेक्ट. सो मतलब ये मेहंदी टेक्निकली
काइंड ऑफ
बाकी सब लोगों के लिए होने वाली है. मेरी मेहंदी तो ऑलरेडी लग चुकी होगी. मैं तो सिर्फ ऐसे एक्टिंग करूंगी लाइक यू नो विद माय मेहंदी.
प्लस इट्स अ मेहंदी प्लस कॉकटेल.
या. सो व्हिच फंक्शन आर यू द मोस्ट एक्साइटेड अबाउट? other than the wedding, of course.
This Mehendi plus
Mehendi,
cocktail.
na? Same. Even I'm really excited.
I was excited for the carnival also, but अभी thinking that वो संगीत में turn हो गया है, तो I am not sure.
So let me quickly take you guys through my vision, our vision for the Mehendi. Okay, so we really wanted a love story, like a section, a story section actually, wherein there are going to be pictures of us in Italy and a little something about us.
Correct. Just basically like explaining to everyone who's there what our story is, where we began and everything all that.
So the color scheme for this event is yellow and blue. Those are the two primary colors that I want, and the element that has to be there are lemons. So हम जब अमालफी कोस्ट ही गए थे तब हमें सब कुछ लेमन थीम मिला था.
Yes.
तो we are going to be trying to incorporate that. So in terms of recreated. So in terms of like the drinks, most of the drinks are going to be like lemon flavored. Then we also have a lemon sorbet, which is gola basically, counter. So we're kind of playing off of that elements. Other than that, food wise, obviously.
Yeah, Italian primarily will be the main cuisine for the day.
Correct.
Like pasta, pizza, वो type का सब.
उसके अलावा मुझे कस्टमाइजेशन करना बहुत पसंद है, तो हमने कस्टम ग्लासेस भी बोले होने चाहिए फॉर आवर कॉकटेल, ताकि सबके हाथ में ग्लासेस हो विद आवर हैशटैग एंड जस्ट लाइक अ पर्सनलाइज्ड टच. I also don't know yet because हमने अभी तक उन्हें डिजाइन नहीं किए हैं. Now that I think of it, we need to do that. But yeah, that. Then another thing that I really wanted was like not like a fountain, but like a tap wherein already drinks रखे and people can like keep refilling their drinks.
It's not a basic normal tap नल वाला, just like a fancy कुछ.
Like a fancy. Let's see. We've shared a lot of reference images. हम इसमें से कितना execute होता है मुझे नहीं पता.
Then since it's a cocktail event, we obviously need to have a bar area as well. And for the bar area where the bartender is going to be, we've basically tried to make it look like a lemonade stand kind of, you can say.
Correct.
So it looks like a lemonade stand from outside, but you can obviously get anything other than lemonade there.
Moving on to our haldi. Can you please guess हमारा हल्दी क्या होने वाला है?
Obviously sunflower themed haldi.
Correct. So हमें वो एक sun kissed sunflower themed हल्दी रखना था because it just made sense. हल्दी is yellow and अच्छा लगता है. हम लोग ने सोचा एक again वो एक बहुत important था हमारे लिए कि sunflower theme कहीं पे तो हो. हमने पहले सोचा था कि शादी में करते हैं, but I just thought वो इतना like sunflower is a very fun flower.
Yes.
I wanted something more like elegant and pretty and soft and dainty for the wedding. So
sunflower is more of a haldi vibe.
Yeah, exactly. It just sat so perfectly for haldi. So for our haldi, sunflowers are going to be the primary thing. Also, another really cool thing that we're going to have is a tarot card reader. I am really excited. तो फिर क्या बोलते हैं उसको? पोपट रीडर. So it's like a parrot who like picks the cards for you. I thought that was really cool. Yes. So that is gonna happen on that day.
Also, I just want to take out a moment and thank every one of you who sent across so many sunflower themed inspirations for the haldi. Literally, there was this one reel that नहीं करके I think almost 200 or 300 people must have sent us daily. Exactly. Every single day we used to receive at least 30-40 DMs minimum from that basically that page.
Correct.
कि ये करो आप आपके हल्दी के लिए, and we were actually anyway planning to do that. Correct. And thank you so much for taking out that.
I know the fact that you guys even thought about it and sent it to us means a lot, and we've taken your feedback into consideration. Moving on to
the biggest, the main event of carnival.
So basically it started off being carnival. ठीक है, मुझे carnival बहुत करने का मन था, मुझे games खेलने थे, ये करने थे, वो करने थे. Then come to find out
वो भी चाहिए था क्या, bouncy house जो बोलते हैं.
मुझे बहुत मन था एक bouncy house होने का, but वो नहीं हो पाया है. I'm assuming unless someone's decided to surprise me with it or whatever.
अरे जगह ही नहीं है bouncy house जितना भाई.
Yeah, that is true. So मुझे बहुत मन था to have like a very fun event like a carnival. Come to find out कि carnival is not really like a unique event. Everyone ends up having it. So I was like नहीं मुझे नहीं करना carnival. But by then हमारे invites पे सारी चीजों पे carnival लिख चुका है, which is okay. We can always change it to something else. So we've kind of changed it to after a lot of contemplation.
A lot of back and forth as well. ये final हुआ फिर change हुआ, फिर और एक final हुआ फिर change हुआ, फिर finally we settled upon making it a neon night.
So neon night के references बहुत cool है. So आदित्य को ऐसे झगामगा लाइट बहुत अच्छा लगता है. लाइटिंग ही loves. So I suggested to him कि ये करना है क्या, cool लगेगा काफी. So I'll pop up a few references on the screen. I think it looks really cool if we're able to execute it. On that night we also have like a candy stall.
Yeah, we also have like a 90s themed candy
90s
store.
themed candy, because both of us are 90s babies. So we've decided to keep all of our favorite chocolates there. I haven't had sugar in a few days, so I'm so excited to like dive in. We also have like a little area where people can do like graffiti.
Yes.
And मेरा plan है कि वो graffiti को मैं cut करके एक छोटा सा piece लेके I can like frame it in
it.
the bedroom or somewhere basically. So it'll be like a cute memory from the wedding. So yeah, that's basically neon night. It's not really neon night because it's going to be our Sangeet.
Yeah, the neon night has now been hijacked into Sangeet neon night.
So basically बहुत पहले से हम हमारी फैमिली को बोल रहे कि हमें संगीत नहीं करना है, नहीं करना है.
एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब नहीं करना फॉर एनी एक्सवाइज रीजन, इट्स जस्ट दैट बोथ ऑफ अस आर नॉट डांसर्स ऐसे, मतलब हम लोग डांस नहीं करते.
हम डांस करते हैं बट हम सिर्फ अकेले
में थोड़ा बहुत, मतलब वी डोंट एंजॉय और गो आउट ऐसा पब्लिक में कि डांस करते हैं भाई चलो.
दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. वी डू गो टू क्लब्स. लेट मी क्लियर दिस आउट. सो
मैं तो नहीं.
तू भी करता है. We both are a little socially awkward. Let's just put it that way. But we are comfortable in front of certain people, like for example our friends, in front of whom we openly dance and openly chill.
But basically the thing is that we didn't want to dance in front of like a wedding crowd इतना बड़ा.
Yeah.
तो वो हमें नहीं करना था. But then obviously we understand कि our family members are all very excited and they wanted to perform or do certain activities or something for us. जिसके लिए संगीत was important.
Yeah.
So we said okay, no problem. If you guys all want to perform,
so it started off with it being like a 1 hour, 2 hour max function, but now the whole neon night is going to be a संगीत.
नहीं 1 or 2 hour. पहले it was just like 2 to 3 performances होंगे कि थोड़े बहुत ही, मतलब ठीक है 2-4 लोगों को करने का, उनको करके ये हो जाने दो. अभी वो 2 hour का प्रॉपर फंक्शन हो गया है. They are trying a lot to keep it hidden. मतलब they don't they practice when we are out of the house for some extra reason or someone takes us somewhere for some work, तभी practice हो जाता है.
Another thing, all of my videos, if you're gonna be noticing, all of my wedding related videos that are going up on my channel are all shot here. This is Aditya's house, by the way, if you haven't realized, because I am perpetually being kicked out of my house, so I need to shoot somewhere. Correct. So that's why I've been shooting here. Moving on, is it going to be an intimate wedding or a big fat Indian wedding?
It's going to be an intimate big fat Indian wedding. I'll tell you how. Basically, the guest count wise, it's an intimate wedding, as in we
have 70 guests at the max.
बहुत हमने
between both of us.
बहुत हमने उसमें एक tough calls लेके we have only managed to call 70 people as per the capacity of the property that we have selected.
Correct, that is also true.
And big fat मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि 70 लोगों के लिए भी जो चीजें हमने की है उसके लिए it's becoming a big fat wedding for us.
For us. Probably it's not really even considered a big fat wedding, but for us.
Yes, because both of us are doing this wedding from our own pockets. We're not taking any money from our parents.
Right.
हमने बोला हमारे जितना हैसियत है, हमें जितना है, हम उतने में हमारे शादी करेंगे, हमें आपसे कुछ ये नहीं लेना है.
करेक्ट.
तो उसके हिसाब से हमारे तो बिग फैट हो गया है वो.
हमारे लिए तो बहुत बिग फैट हो गया. But I think it's gonna be fun. Yes. It's been fun kind of coming up with ideas, and also I have to give another shout out to Shubtiti team, because हम कुछ भी आइडिया लेके आते थे वो कभी भी मना नहीं करते थे कि ये नहीं हो सकता है. They were all, because I hate it when people tell me that something can't be done, because I feel like there's a way to execute everything. You just need to be willing to do it, and they were willing to do everything that I suggested, and
they kept us on our toes as well, because हम थोड़े हमारे काम में भी बहुत बिजी हो रहे थे बीच में, but constantly they were like अरे इसका अपडेट, अरे इसका फॉलो अप, इसका पेमेंट. So,
getting married is not a joke, Okay, continue.
Next, so intimate wedding है, and then reception जो मुंबई में रख रहे हैं उसमें we are calling everyone.
There are like 500-600 people coming for that.
Okay, moving on to the next question, which is whose side are your friends coming from?
कल ही by the way ये चीज पे बहुत झगड़ा तो नहीं बोल सकते, but ऐसा cold silence हो गया था. Okay, so basically आदित्य के जितने भी guy friends हैं, namely शिखर, जतिन, तीर्थ, they all know Aditya since they were kids, right? So obviously I'm not mad about them coming from his side, but all the other girls are coming from my side. And also the biggest issue was कि मयूर भाई कौन सा side से आएंगे, because मैं मयूर भाई को राखी भी बांधती हूँ, and both of us know मयूर भाई at the same time. We literally met him the same time, so there's no angle of like him knowing him the longest or whatever.
As of now technically relation wise तो मेरे साथ ही बैठता ना, मतलब मेरे बहन का पति है.
Oh my
God. So technically he should come from my end, but अभी तू राखी बांधते तो इसकी वजह से वो भी एक ही है. So मयूर भाई कॉमन विकेट कीपर.
Yeah, that's what he's been saying. बेचारे उनकी तो बहुत वो हो गया, like he's being pulled from all directions. but
the way he switches the topic when that conversation comes
up, yeah.
इतना सा लोग थे अभी उसमें से क्या कौन सा साइड से
साइड, हाँ मतलब ऐसे मतलब एकदम मस्ती वाली बात है, कोई किसी के साइड से नहीं, सब एक दूसरे के साइड से।
Exactly, बारात में तो सब इसके भाई बहन सब आके नाचने वाले।
मुझे कल ही पूछ रहे थे, आई yesterday met मानसी, अल्फिया एंड आशी, एंड they were asking me हम लोग आदि के बारात में जाके नाच सकते हैं? मैंने बोला ऑफ कोर्स, प्लीज गो हैव फन।
वो लोग भी जानते हैं मेरे को, वो लोग भी सेम टाइम से ऑलमोस्ट जानते हैं, मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ आर यू गाइस फीलिंग अबाउट इट?
सो ये क्वेश्चन एवरी टाइम आई मीट एनीवन, लाइक व्हेन आई गो टू इवेंट्स और एनी टाइम आई मीट एनीवन आउटसाइड ऑफ माय लाइक फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, एवरीवन आस्क मी दिस क्वेश्चन कि कैसा लग रहा है, शादी होने वाली है?
Honestly, I think मुझे बहुत ज्यादा ही तेरे से ज्यादा पूछा था, because I don't know, people ask the guy a lot. Even in DMs and all, I've noticed a lot of people have asked कि how is Adi feeling about it?
Yeah. So I think you should go first.
मतलब I don't know, maybe people think कि guys का बहुत अलग रिएक्शन रहता है when they're about to get married, या उनका thought process अलग था, which I agree, obviously दोनों का अलग अलग thought process रहेगा, but for me I think अभी I don't feel worried or I don't feel stressed उसके बारे में whatever, because we've been dating for quite a long time. It's not like कि हम मेरे मतलब it's just sprung upon us, हम लोग इतने सालों से हैं, हम लोग बात करें शादी करने का, अभी वो आ रहा है टाइम, so I'm happy and excited rather than being nervous and stressed, which is my way of looking at it. So I think it's going to be fun, and the journey after getting married is also going to be a great one. So
okay. But you're not nervous even 1%?
Not nervous ऐसे, मतलब obviously थोड़ा वो टाइम पे वो दिन पे जब भी हो रहा रहेगा तो भी थोड़ा सा obviously nervousness रहेगा कि
रोएगा क्या, वो बता।
नहीं रोऊंगा क्यों इसमें भाई, खुशी का दिन रोऊंगा क्यों?
वो इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स पे सब धुले रहते हैं ना ब्राइड को देख के, एक आंसू तो गिराना मस्त है।
अरे क्या जबरदस्ती है भाई, अगर आया सामने से तो मैं कर दूंगा।
I'm just kidding. Okay. About me, I feel like I am going through a roller coaster. Okay, sometimes I am very excited, I'm chill. I feel like okay. The other question. Yeah, so I'm excited, I'm happy about it most of the time. But then there are also times where I have started to get nervous, which is really weird. I didn't expect myself to get nervous.
Also, apart from that, she ends up crying a lot thinking about her Vidya, which I know obviously लगता है, but you're moving in the same building. It's literally a matter of few floors.
Yeah, which is why it feels like there's a cushion underneath my fall. You know what I mean?
Exactly, वही बोल रहा हूँ। ऐसा नहीं बोला कि लगना ही नीचे, obviously लगेगा, but
basically I can't explain how I'm feeling. Okay, there's no way to.
That is the correct way to put it, because उसका कुछ मूड का कुछ भरोसा नहीं है, कुछ भी it's all over the place.
Yeah, I'm very all over the place. Okay, next question. Is it going to be a day wedding or a night wedding? So day wedding होने वाला है ये। हम दोनों में culturally भी रात को wedding नहीं होता है, दोनों के इसमें day wedding ही होता है। And मुझे day wedding ही करना था, sundowner types करना था हमें। Because we really like the sunset vibe. Oh, we didn't explain the decor for the wedding. Okay, so सबसे ये भी एक दूसरा चीज है कि अप्रैल में शादी क्यों करनी है, गर्मी में अभी मतलब रुक जाते हैं, दिसंबर में कर लेते हैं, अप्रैल में क्यों करनी है? हमें दिसंबर में नहीं करनी थी, पहली बात तो हमें रुकना नहीं था दिसंबर तक।
नहीं वो भी नहीं है, मुझे नहीं ठंडी में करना है, मुझे गर्मी पसंद है ठंडी से ज्यादा।
आदित्य loves, that is true, he loves the summers. I am indifferent honestly to any weather, मुझे इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है।
मेरा बचपन से था, मुझे करना है तो मैं समर में ही करना है, मुझे ठंडी वाले महीने में नहीं करने का है। और ऊपर से when we locked down ऋषिकेश, तभी तो वहां पे ठंडी के इसमें तो चांस ही नहीं।
It would have been too cold to get married in Rishikesh in winter. So we decided to go for April because मुहूर्त भी मिल रहा था हमें अप्रैल का, and Aprils में days are longer, so it's sunnier, it's prettier.
And it's very pretty in the summer. जो हमारा व्यू है जहाँ से हमारा होटल है,
that is true. You might have seen already in yesterday's vlog. But yeah, in terms of decor, we really wanted to incorporate oranges, like peach basically. Peach है, pink है, white है. Those are the primary colors that we're sticking with. Pastels. Yeah, that's honestly it for decor in terms of like the color scheme. Obviously, there are so many more elements that we've decided to incorporate for our wedding.
Which you'll see in the wedding videos.
Which you'll see in the wedding videos, the vlogs, which we're aiming at posting it really soon after the wedding is over. Let's see. वो सिर्फ एक चीज थोड़ा डाइसी है, जितना भी हम प्रीफिल्म
फुटेज बहुत है, तो इतना कम टाइम में इतना सारा एडिट हो पाना इज द
एडिट भी हो पाना, और फिर हमें रिव्यू करना है। ऑब्वियसली दीज आर गोइंग टू बी सच स्पेशल वीडियोस, सो वी वांट देम टू बी एडिटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर preference and you know like it needs to be well shot, well edited, all of that. So we'll see क्या upload schedule है, but ये सारे videos तो एकदम time पे आपको मिलने वाले हैं. Make sure that you're subscribed to Mridul and Aditya. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel Mridul Sharma as well, because there is so much content that's going live. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram as well
and following Mridul and Aditya on Instagram as well, because it's not like कि हम लोग सिर्फ एक ही पेज पकड़ के उस पर सब content है. The content is going to be diversified on both the channels, both the pages. So follow us everywhere basically.
That's basically it. Thank you guys for
Oh, there's
watching.
just one more question which I don't know how I should answer, but there was one question.
Oh yeah.
Where are you guys going to go for your honeymoon?
Oh yeah.
So the thing is that it's a secret. Even Mridul doesn't
Even
know
I don't know. Yeah.
where we're going. It's something that I'm planning on my own. So yeah, I guess you guys will see that very soon in another vlog.
Correct. So Aditya, मैंने मोस्टली मैंने वेडिंग हैंडल किया इन टर्म्स ऑफ डेकोर. दूसरा सब तो टेक्निकली आदित्य ने किया, बट लाइक डेकोर का पूरा लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मैंने लिया था.
सेम जो यहाँ पे भी चलता है, फ्रंट व्यू सब जो दिखेगा वो सब मैंने हैंडल किया, बैक एंड व्यू सब जो है मैं.
करेक्ट. सो आदित्य ने बोला था कि तू हनीमून का टेंशन मत ले, मैं पूरा एंड टू एंड मैं खुद कर लूंगा. सो आई वाज लाइक ग्लैडली प्लीज गो फॉर इट, बिकॉज दिस वेडिंग हैज ड्रेन्ड मी इन द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल. लाइक इट्स बीन फन,
वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग,
नो कंप्लेंट्स, बट इट इज एग्जॉस्टिंग. सो आई वाज लाइक प्लीज go ahead, you do you. Yeah, so stay tuned. I guess you and I are gonna find it out together. That's it. Like this video,
subscribe to our channel,
subscribe to Mridul and Aditya, follow
subscribe to Mridul Sharma,
follow Mridul Sharma on her Instagram,
follow Mridul and Aditya on Instagram, and we'll see you in our next video, which is going to be a very special one.
Yeah, इसके बाद wedding videos सब start होंगे. That's true. We'll see you guys. Bye.